first you're going to press your lips together so that you can pull your lips from the very tops and then the very bottom. So I'm just taking a darker brown right here, and I am lining my top, my cupid's bow, and the bottom, the very bottom. So I'm using a dark brown for this because this is going to add a little bit of shadow. And I'm also taking it to my outer corners. I'm not overlining right here. I'm staying within my lip line, but I am making a gradient and just shading in my inner corners of my mouth. And I'm doing the same thing on the top. So now I'm taking a light brown and just shading along that entire line that I made at the bottom and the top, making any indentions that I want. And what I'm also doing is, you see how I'm using the pencil, it's on its side, so it's not pointed, so that I can get more of that shading effect versus the lining effect. And this is also a really good method if you're just going to wear a sheer gloss or a clear gloss. Now I'm going in with my favorite nude lipstick. This is a matte lipstick. You can do a moisturizing lipstick too. It does not matter. And then I'm actually going over the lines on my top lip because I want everything to look really smooth and gradient. I did not do that for my bottom because I did want the shadows to stay there. So now I'm just taking a nude gloss and I'm going over everything just to further blend. And there you go. You have the perfectly nude lip liner.